I don't understand something on this question. It says 409 students in the math club, and it gives some information, and then it wants you and me to find the answer. Well, if these kids are in the math club, can't they find the answer? All right, I guess we'll do it for them. All 409 lazy students in the math club who couldn't figure this out themselves went on a field trip. Some students rode a van, which holds 7 students, and some rode buses, which hold 60 students. So we'll say 7 times the number of vans plus 60, we're calling vans V and B buses, 60B, equals the total students, 409. Then it also tells us how many of each type of vehicles did they ride if there were 13 total vehicles. So we also know that V plus B equals 13. A lot of times in these simultaneous equation, especially word problems, there's going to be one equation like this one for value and one equation like this one for number. So we have it. 7 students per van plus 60 students per bus equals 409 total students. The number of vans plus the number of buses equal 13. And we want to find what? How many of each types of vehicle did they use? Well, these are simultaneous equations. One way we can solve them is with elimination. Let's get rid of the v's. And so we will multiply the second equation by minus 7. So that when we add it to the first equation, or when I add it to the first equation, the v's will go away. So negative 7v minus 7b equals, what's 13 times 7? Well, 13 times negative 7, it's negative. You can do that on your calculator or just long multiplication, negative 91. So now I'm going to add the first equation and this new equation and get rid of the v. 7v minus 7v, 0v, it's gone. 60b minus 7b is 53b. 409 minus 91, you can do that on a calculator or do it by hand. What does that come out to? 40 minus 9 is 31, 318. And then b is going to equal 318 divided by 53. Again, you can do it on a calculator or you can figure it out. I think it's 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 5 is 30 is 31. Yeah, it's 6. So there are 6 buses. And now v plus b equals 13, which means v equals 13 minus b. V equals 13 minus 6. V equals 7. So there are 6 buses and 7 vans. And then you can plug that back into the original equation just to see if it works. 7v, 7 times 7 is 49. Plus 60 times b, 60 times 6 is 360. And 360 plus 49 is indeed 409. So I've checked it. There it is. If you need to see it again, be kind, rewind.